Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord. I know you came from heaven above. The Holy Spirit is on the throne. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord. Hi. I'll be teaching you how to play this contemporary song titled Good Morning Jesus, Good Morning Lord, in key G major, neck of guitar. Here is the Solfa note. Mi, sol, la, mi, do, re, do, la, do. Mi, sol, la, mi, do, re, re, mi, re, mi, sol, la, mi, do, re, do, la, do, mi, sol, fa, mi, do, re, mi, re, do. Here is the chord progression of the song. 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 1, that's simple 1, 2, 5, 1, 1, 6, 1, 1, 6, 5. Then back to 1. It goes like this: do, do again, la, do, do, do. That's in 3 places. Then re, so, do, do, la, do, do, la, so, do. It goes like this. Good morning, Jesus. That's do. That's double do. Once again, it goes like this. Once again, do, morning, do, Jesus. Then la. We now proceed to la. Good morning, 1 la. Then back to do, do. Then do again. Good morning. Do again. I know you came from. Then re, heaven, re. Then so above. Then do. The Holy Spirit is on the throne. Do. Good morning. One more time. Good morning, Jesus. La. Good morning. Lord, do. Do again. I know you. Do again. Came from the heaven once, then to so above, then do the Holy. Do again. Spirit. La is on the one. Do back to do. Then good morning. One do here. Then one la. Jesus. Then one so. Good morning, Lord. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord. I know you came from heaven above. The Holy Spirit is on the throne. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Lord. Thanks for watching.